How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on this video, we're going to be replacing this door lock on a 2017 CR-V. Now, most of them on these current Hondas are like this. If you have a brand new Honda, so 22 and above, they're a little bit different. And we have not done one of those yet, but a lot of them from, the last decade or so are this way and very easy to do. So theft is a common thing and rising here in the tri-state area. So unfortunately, this is something we have to deal with. This is actually my second one today. So we're going to replace the door lock. It also comes, we have to get this cap here. These are color coded. So sometimes they don't break them. Sometimes they do. In this case, they broke it. So we're going to go ahead and replace it and just get this back to 100% functioning form. So it does come with new keys. Now, you could get these recoded to the original key of the vehicle. Unfortunately, when we moved buildings here, our tumbler set got lost and they never purchased a new one. So we gave the customer an option of sending it to a locksmith and get it recoded. They didn't want to do that. So they're just going to have two sets of keys, which is fine as well. All right. So all you need is either a pick or a thin flathead. You need a T30. I'm going to use this one from Icon with a handle here. So T30 and your new parts. So very easy to do. If you were unfortunate to have this happen to you, then you could go ahead and replace this yourself once you pick it up from your local dealer. So we're just going to open the door here up. And we see our access port here. So we're going to take our pick or our flathead, or even you can use your nail if needed, and just pop this cover off here. This is just a small rubber grommet, so not a big deal. So then we insert our T30 into here. So you can see I'm going kind of on an angle here, right there. Sorry, door moved on me. And this screw does not come completely out, so you don't have to worry about losing or anything like that. You could keep turning it and it won't come out. So that is that. Now you're just going to slide this out. And your old lock is out. Very, very easy to do. Now, if you happen to have the cover back on, you just have to pop it off. But since with this doesn't have one, we're going to just have to pop this one on and hinge it from this side here and pop it in on this side. So now we're going to put it in like this. Now this shaft does go into the actuator inside. I'm going to try to get you a good image there. You can see right in there, that's where it needs to align with this end. So if you don't align it, then your locks are not going to work. So that gives a signal inside to tell the other doors to open and unlock and things of that nature. Also unlocking this door as well. So I'm going to go ahead and align this. I'm not going to be able to capture this on video, but once it's installed, I'll show you where it needs to be through the other hole. You can kind of see it. If it doesn't lock into place there, it's just going to reel super loose, and it's not in place. So now this part could be a little bit frustrating here. And I think I'm in there, and I'll know basically right away. And I am, in fact, in there. And you can kind of feel tension. If it wasn't in, first things first, you want to hear the door cycling. And this wouldn't have absolutely no tension either. So let me try to get a good image of there for you guys now. After you're lined up here, everything looks good, nice and flush. You want to take your T30 and just start screwing it back in. This does not have to be super tight either. And just like that, you are tight. We put our grommet back in, our cap, and we are good to go. Now, if you want to confirm your locks, you can go ahead and do that at this point. We're going to go and just take a look at that lock. So to the right is unlocked, to the left is locked, and we can see the other lock cycling. So we know that we, A, are in a hole here, in the slot where it needs to be, and B, it's, sending the signal to the other one. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Again, unfortunate that we have to deal with this, but it is a growing trend. And if you wanted to go ahead and, repair this yourself, you surely could. It's fairly easy. You can see I did it probably under 2 or 3 minutes total time. That being said, I'll catch everyone on the next one.